Ki Kiewdor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but shispa percent ka jingyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiway pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number
U Menteri ka Sorkar Jylla u bakhmi yakatanat Food and Civil Supplies u ba Comingwan Umban hakalai pauterik u jemang arajar arpusan ulaong ba ka Sorkar kala Pyntreikam da ka Open Market Scheme ban penne yakador kemur jongki Marbam mardi haki ar bat lai banai bala lenyo. Haba keren syakilat patai kubor uba umbon ulaong ba day nakani kadaw kador jongki Marbam mardi kala yarbha haki yau kihad lanyo kador jongki jhur na kadaw ka jingdon jong ka ayom liur.
Remember last time this Sindor operation. Before this indoor operation, from the department, we already prepared. I have called the meeting, all the officers and the FCI also. I just want to know that time the stock situation in our state. After the review meeting, I know everything is okay. Then this time also, if the COVID is happening in our state, I don't think will be a problem because we already prepared the food, the stock, everything, no? Because as of now, almost 2-3 months now, we run this open market scheme also to stabilize this price rise and all. I think now in the market, maybe the price is come down, no? As per the rice, everything. But only this, what do you call this, vegetable and all, because of this raining season, I think we cannot control this. Open market, you see, the government of India, we have the buffer stock in the government of India. Now the government of India is given all the state of in India. This open market is the prices from the government of India is only 22.50 paise per kg. Now we're starting to distribute through the wholesaler of our state to distribute to mean they can sell in the market also. That is no bar.
This is the rice.
Yes, rice.
What about other materials?
Order also is I think maybe the same, no?